Hi, I'm Sam Parker, Vice President of CreditAbility Credit Restoration. I'm going to take just a few minutes of your time today to let you know how I'm going to help you close more loans every single month. By now, if you're successful in this industry, you've grasped the concept of credit repair. You're going to take a turned down borrower and transform that person into a qualified borrower. Your question is probably, what company am I going to work with? Who can I put my reputation alongside that's not going to tarnish that reputation? The answer is CreditAbility Credit Restoration. I'm going to make it simple for you to refer me clients. I don't want you to do any more work than you already do, and I actually want you to do less. From now on, when you turn a client down, rather than just giving them some advice and hoping that they come back to you, or doing credit repair on your own, or sending them to a black hole credit repair company where you don't even know if they're ever going to come back, what I want you to do is take 2 seconds, fax or email me that credit report. I'm going to do a free review for you, and within 45 minutes, I'm going to let you know whether or not we can help, how much we can help, and how long it's going to take. If you like what I have to say after that free review, all I want you to do is let your clients know, hey, be expecting a call from Sam Parker or one of his assistants at CreditAbility Credit Restoration. Okay? We'll call the client. Again, I'm going to give them a free review where I'm going to go through, explain to them what's wrong with their credit report and how I'm going to be able to help. I'm going to explain to them my expectations of them in terms of, how they're going to meet us in the middle. I'm going to get them enrolled. I'm going to provide you with automatic email updates throughout the process, and then I'm going to let you know when it's time to repull credit and close that loan. So I'm going to make it a smooth transition from point A to point B to point C, okay? And the bottom line is we're getting them back to you to close more loans. We differentiate ourselves from other credit repair companies in a number of different ways. The first is the services that we provide. Most credit repair companies just do blanket disputes and then they stop. Okay, we're going to do detailed disputes where we're actually disputing inaccuracies on the credit report. We're going to do credit education. We're going to do budgeting. We're going to help out with settlements and pay for deletions. So we take your clients all the way from point A to point Z, and we don't leave them off at point G in the middle to fend for themselves. Okay, we're going to bring them back to you as a borrower who's ready to go. We don't charge up front. Okay, we charge on the 45th day of service, which means, hey, we're not breaking federal law like every other credit repair company, so that's a plus. Okay, it is against federal law for a credit repair company to charge until the services have been provided. The services are defined as significant improvement of the credit profile. So if you're working with a credit repair company, or if you've been solicited by a credit repair company that's charging the clients before the work is done, that's a violation of federal law. You've worked long and hard to establish your referral relationships with your realtors, with your family, with your friend, your community members, and your past clients, and you cannot afford to tarnish that reputation by working with a company that's violating federal law. CreditAbility is your answer. So again, as I've hit on, we're not going to charge your clients up front. When we do charge them, it's going to be a one-time flat fee every time. It's $500 per person, $700 per couple, which is also some of the lowest pricing in our industry. And if you think about the tens of thousands of dollars that we're going to be saving them, it's the best investment that they're ever going to make. So $500 per person, $700 per couple, due on the 45th day. They're going to be holding results in their hands. A lot of times I'm sending them back to you for to have credit repulled by the time that money even comes out. Okay. Also, again, with the services that we provide, where we go above and beyond with providing the education and the budgeting, what I'm going to do is not only help you close a loan within the next 45 to 90 days in most cases, but I'm also going to make sure that when you repull credit on this borrower in 2 or 3 or 4 years down the road to either refinance or help them with a larger purchase, that we provided them with the tools that they need to continue increasing their credit scores or to maintain them, and you're not going to end up pulling credit and they're going to be back down at that 580 credit score where you can't do anything with them. So again, sell out to me. For the next 120 days, I want you to send me everybody that you're having issues with. Whether it's a 590 that you need to a 640, whether it's a 710 that you need to a 720. Send it over. I'm going to give you a free review, so there's no way that you can lose. If there's a way that I can help you close that loan without them going through my process, I'm going to tell you. I'm going to be your best friend from now on. I'm going to help you close so many more loans that you're going to look back a year from now and this is going to be the best 5 minutes you ever spent. Okay? So for the next 120 days, fax or email me a copy of the credit report. I'm going to get back to you right away. And again, if within 120 days I'm not helping you close more loans, what I want you to do is never use me again and tell everyone that you know never to use me again. That's how confident I am in our services. So give me a call, 319-560-5999, or email me, sam@creditability.org. Let's get the ball rolling. Let's help you start closing more loans every single month. I thank you for your time. I look forward to helping you and your clients in the future. Thank you.